Hello, Dimsdale. I'm Jet You Betcha with today's editorial, which technically makes it a Jetatorial.
An 18-year-old San Jose resident, Jacob Reyes, has been charged with allegedly manufacturing ghost guns using 3D printers in his bedroom, according to the Santa Clara County District Attorney's Office. Prosecutors say investigators found 2 operational 3D weapon printers and 27 completed or partially completed firearms in the home. Authorities allege that all but one of the seized weapons were produced using the printers, and that some had been modified to function as machine guns. Ammunition was also recovered. Reyes was arraigned on charges including unlicensed firearm manufacturing and felony possession of a machine gun. District Attorney Jeff Rosen said the case highlights concerns about illegal, untraceable firearms circulating in the community.
From all of us here, stay classy, Dimsdale.